and welcome back to my channel. So if you are seeing me for the first time, I am Anjali and you're watching Ashi's Heaven. Okay guys, so this video is going to be very interesting video because we are doing the makeup only just using 3 products guys, so which is really superb, right? So yeah, and this makeup look can be recreated by each one of us because I am using very basic products in this which can be easily found at all your homes. So without much late, let's get started. The first product that I'm going to use here is a sunscreen. So this is Pond's sunscreen. So earlier I have uploaded a video on this. So if anyone of you have missed, I'll just upload it here so you can just watch. So this is the first product that I'm going to use today. So this is Pond's Sun Product Non-Oily Sunscreen with SPF 30, and this is a very good sunscreen guys. So I thought of using a sunscreen. So the first product is sunscreen. So let's start applying it. Sunscreen is actually very good sunscreen guys. Because this easily blends into your skin and this doesn't leave any it doesn't leave any white cast on your skin. As you can see, it is easily blended on our skin. So this is my all-time favorite sunscreen. As you can see, it gives a slight glowy look and a non-oily look, and it dries up so quickly and it doesn't leave any white cast on your skin. Now the second product I'm going to introduce to you is this Nykaa's Metallic Liquid Lipstick. So this actually has 2 uses. So you can use this also as a lipstick and also as a eyeshadow. If you would like to do an eye makeup, I mean to say if you would like to enhance your eyes, then you can also use this as a eyeshadow. So I picked up this product because this I can do 2 things with this product, one as a lipstick and also as a eyeshadow. For that I took this. So second product is this Nykaa Metallic Liquid Lipstick. So let's start applying it. So first I'm going to apply this as a eyeshadow. I'm going to take very small quantity of the product. So yeah, so it comes like this on both of my eyes, and then I will just smudge it up. Okay,
I'll just smudge this. So I think it's enough. So let me just check this once. So I'm just going to blend it really nice into my skin. So I just don't want to give a very glossy look guys. So I think I don't know if it is really visible. So I'm going to do it with the other eye as well. You can also use a brush, but I'm convenient using my fingers itself. So I'm just, doing it with my fingers. So I think some more product can go. So I think I'll just take some more.
this is okay to go. So I don't know how it is visible, so hope it is visible, and I think this is very good as an eyeshadow also because this is not that bright and at the same time it gives you a really glossy look. So I really like this. And actually I don't apply eyeshadows because I don't like doing that, but this is really superb guys. So actually you can see that there is a light glow on the top of my eyeshadow. As an eyeshadow it is just doing the great as an eyeshadow it is just doing a great job. So I really liked it guys. So yeah, I think I liked it guys. So yeah, so hope it is hope it is looking good. I don't know how it is looking, but I think this is good. So yeah, with that we have done with the second product. Okay, I'll also use this as a lipstick, but not now. After I apply this eyeliner, I'll use this as a lipstick as well. So now let's apply. This is my third product, which is an eyeliner. So this is again Eyetex Dazzler eyeliner, so which is commonly used. So it is of your choice. You can pick any eyeliner which you wish like using. So here I have picked up this. So let's quickly apply eyeliner. have uploaded a detailed explanation of eye makeup. So if any one of you have missed, you can just check it in the iCard above. I am giving it there. So yeah, I think this has turned out really good. So if needed, you can also, you know, give baseline as well using a kajal, but I am not doing anything. So I am just leaving it as such. So yeah, and I am liking this eyeshadow, guys. So yeah, so we are done with eye makeup as well. Now let's start, now let's do our final step, which is, you know, applying the lipstick. So yeah, let's do that. Guys, so as the name itself suggests, this is a metallic lipstick. So as you can see, this is very completely metallic and this gives a very glossy look. So yeah, and we have completed our 3 product makeup challenge, which can be done by each one of us. So if you have a metallic liquid lipstick like this, you can do your amazing eye makeup like this, just like this, guys. I really liked it. So it is very minimalistic that you feel like there is nothing on your eyes. I mean, there is nothing on your eyes, but still it gives a little bit of shine. This is really good, guys. I really liked it. Guys, so hope you have liked my 3 product makeup challenge. So if you are liking my video and content, you know what you have to do. Please like, share and subscribe, and see you soon in another video. Till then, bye and take care.